Hey guys, today I'm bringing you something truly special, a gem of a home in the heart of Ajah, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. This house for sale in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria, a beautiful 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex is built with comfort and peace of mind. Guys, honestly, this house you see comes with an inverter. That means you don't have problem with light. It has a sit out and a swimming pool where you relax after a day tour. Then you have a BQ where your workers will be staying, guys. You know how to do our thing. I'll flip my camera now, show you around, take you to the poolside, then we go in and check this house together. I promise you, you will like this one. And let's go, guys. So, guys, we have flipped our camera. This is the house, a 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex in Ajah, Eyes of Lagos. This is a house for sale in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Guys, you can see we have a nice neighborhood and a beautiful houses around. Okay, the road is paved. This is the road. The drainage system, which is underground, has already been constructed. Okay, you can see there's a drainage system here. Okay, look at the height of the house and the height of the house we are talking about, the road. Okay, so and the road has these beautiful flowers. Check out the design, guys. This is lovely. This is beautifully designed to suit your taste, guys. So we are in right now. See the car space you have here. So this place can contain more than 4 cars. 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay, but you have SUV, you can say 3. Check how beautiful the house is. So we have lights here. Okay, by the wall side. So guys, this is the house. So you can see the flowers around. Okay, then guys, let me take you around the house, then we'll come and check the house together. So they put this because of this project that is going on here. So this is the pool area. Like I told you, there is a seat out here. Look at it, where you can keep 1 or 2 seats or 3. You know, you can have a mini party by the poolside here. That is still quite spacious. Okay, see the space and see the the pool sit out. Then this is the boys' quarter, guys. This is the boys' quarter with a single window. Okay, so this is where the wardrobe will be. And this is the bedroom. Okay, yet to be constructed, you can see. And this is the pool. You can see it's a standard swimming pool. And you can, from the kitchen, you can actually access the pool. This is the kitchen here. And this is from the living room area. Then this is the changeover area here for the pool. Okay, so guys, we are going to go in. We are going out to go in, right? This is beautifully designed. So this is where the journey started. This is the entrance of this beautiful house. Okay, so it has this flower pot here. So guys, you can see this is a magnificent door, the foreign door. Okay, the door has a fingerprint, has a lock here, a button, has a lens here. Then this is the key. Okay, use the key in case if the light is not charged. Then this is the camera here. From here you can see whoever that is on your door. And this is another camera too, an intercom. From here you can make call. So from here you can see this is an alarm. Okay. Then this is the button that controls the living room area. Then as I enter, this is the visitor's toilet. This is your, you can see beautiful wash basin and the suspended WC. Then guys, this is the visitor's room. This is lovely. So it has this window here and this one, 2 windows for cross ventilation. Then this is the spot for your television here. This is the wardrobe. The wardrobe, guys. Then this is the toilet. Okay. So we have your wash basin, suspended WC here, the water heater over there, then the shower, guys. Okay. So let's proceed to the living room area, guys. So this is the overview of the living room area. So immediately you enter, you find this artwork here. And this area that looks like the dining area here. Okay. So you can actually use this or that part as your dining area plus this design here as well. We have one light here, the inbuilt light and the POP design. Okay. Then you can see this artwork here as well. And this light as well. So this could be also your dining area here. You can choose any part. Okay. And it's a double volume living room, you can see, with that beautiful chandelier over there. Then this is the TV console that spans to the first floor. You can see it there. Beautifully designed. Okay. And this living room has 1, 2, 3, then 4 windows for cross ventilation, guys. And it comes with a wine bar. This is your bar, already constructed for you. It has this part that has this beautiful flower. Okay. This is beautifully designed, guys. So this has an inbuilt light and there's inbuilt speaker, guys, for your sound. Okay. Then it has a CCTV camera here. This is the CCTV camera for the living room area. Okay. Then let's proceed. From here now you can see facing me is the pool area, but on my right hand side is the kitchen. So it's an open kitchen from here. It's not open to the living room, but from the pool it's an open kind kitchen. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Let me give you the overview of this beautiful kitchen. Okay, so the kitchen is beautiful. You can see this is the kitchen island. Okay, and on the island you have the burner. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus a burner on the this thing on the burner. Okay, so and this is your heat extractor. Check out this light and the inbuilt light and the inbuilt speaker over there. Okay, then this space is for your washing machine, while this place is just for your double door freezer. And this is the kitchen store here. Okay, then this is your sink. This is marble. This sink is a marble sink, very strong and beautiful. Then we have this cabinet. Okay, then this is your microwave and oven here, and the cabinet. This is beautiful. So this is the CCTV camera for the kitchen. Okay. So right now, let's proceed to the upstairs, to the first floor. So let me know what your thought is concerning this ground floor, guys. It's beautifully designed. So this is a sensor staircase, you can see. So you can see it's a sensor staircase. So please do not forget that this is Kelechi of Ketchme Properties Limited, a real estate consulting firm that is based here in Lagos, that is making sure that you have real estate investments that are free from every form of government encumbrance and peace of mind. Because as you're coming, you see this beautiful artwork here with this light. Okay, and when you're coming down, you face this beautiful design here as well. This clock design on the wall. This is beautiful, guys. Then from the first floor, you'll see this beautiful chandelier light. Okay. Then the console I told you that span from the first floor. Then this light. Okay. This is beautiful. And this light, all these are beautiful, fanciful lights. But because we are using an inverter and we have only 2 batteries there installed already, so you can't carry all the lights at the same time. But when you move in, you can add to it. And we have fans on this roof as well. So this is your family lounge. It has this window here, 1, then 2 here for cross ventilation, guys. Then we'll see this space for you where you can actually put your artwork if you want. Then the TV console has already been constructed as well. Then we have the inbuilt light and POP design, then inbuilt speaker, and this beautiful light you're seeing. Okay. So on this floor, we have 3 rooms and the master, then the light room, this is the inverter's room. Let's check it out gradually. This is the first room. Let me give you the overview. So this room now has double window. Has double window. 1, then 2. And it comes with this mirror stand here. Each room has it. Then the POP design and the inbuilt light. Then this is the spot for your television here. Then this is the wardrobe. The wardrobe. Then this is the bedroom. This is your wash hand basin, the suspended WC, the water heater, then the shower, guys. Okay. Then this is your changeover area, which is the light, the inverter room. This is the inverter. It has 2 batteries already fixed. That is what is powering the house already. Okay. Then this is the second room upstairs here and the 3rd in the whole house. So this is the overview. So it has a double window for cross ventilation. Then we have this mirror stand here. Okay. This is the wardrobe. The spot for your television here. Then this is the bedroom. This is your wash hand basin, suspended WC, the shower, guys, and the water heater is over there. You can see it. Lovely, right? So this is the 4th room. Beautiful, right? This is the overview. So it has a double window as well, 1, 2 for cross ventilation. Then it has this mirror stand, the spot for your television here. Okay. And this is the wardrobe. And this is the bedroom. This is your wash hand basin, your WC. This is your water heater. Then the shower, guys. So guys, now let's head to the master bedroom. The Oga Pata Pata is the master bedroom. Let's go there, guys. So guys, this is the master bedroom. Let me give you the overview. And see how spacious the master bedroom is. Has this beautiful chandelier light. Check out the POP design, the inbuilt speaker, and the inbuilt light, guys. This is lovely. Okay, and it has this beautiful TV console here. This window 1, 2 windows for cross ventilation. Okay, then it has this beautiful balcony here. You can sit here at the cool of it. It has this flower pot and this design, and from here you can actually view the environment. This is lovely, guys. Okay, so this is your walk-in closet. So this is your walk-in closet, guys. Then this is the bedroom. Beautiful, right? This is your bathtub. The suspended WC. And the shower. Water heater. This is the mirror. Then this is your wash and basin, guys. So guys, let's know what your thought is concerning this beautiful 5-bedroom fully detached duplex here. Don't forget that this is house for sale in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. A beautiful 5-bedroom fully detached duplex going for 280 million naira asking price. Let's give Kelechi a call. Give Kelechi a call on the number that is on your screen so that I can bring you here for site inspection and closing of deal. If you're new to my channel, guys, please subscribe, hit the notification button, so whenever we make subsequent video, you'll be the first to receive it, and our current subscribers. Say kudos to you. So keep watching, keep sharing till we come your way again. Thank you.